I woke up this morning on my money shoot. Grab my sack, hit the streets, I'm on some other shit. Got girl out of town with my other bitch. Hit them out, blew it all on a bunch of shit. Then hit the club and turn the crowd to a march pit.
What's going on, YouTube? Big Boy Stance here, coming at you guys. This was a video that I've kind of wanted to do for a little while. You can see him outside. But that brings up the point of the video. I just wanted to, say, someone asked like what the hardest thing about trucking is, and I said being away from your family, being away from home, being away from your friends, and that's true. That's very true. But I also think that keeping what's between your ears healthy is also one of the hardest things to do in trucking. One of the things that I feel that contributes to keeping your mind healthy is getting out of the truck. For me, I like to eat. So if I'm able to get to a truck stop that is, relatively close to a nice restaurant or just a different restaurant outside of the big chains, outside of the truck stop food, then I'll do that. If there's somewhere that's near Chili's or Ruby Tuesdays, or I love Mexican food and I love Asian food, so if I can stop anywhere within walking distance of any type of restaurant like that, I'll stop there. And that just allows you to get out the truck. It's not much just going to get something to eat, but sitting up in the truck eating food all the time, or eating that truck stop food, or sitting in the truck stop all the time, it'll mess with you. Especially, I made it through my first winter, essentially, even though it's still snowing in some parts. But I made it through my first winter, and winter is a really hard season, to go through, not even just as a trucker, just in general, because, statistically speaking, like that's the point. There's less sunshine, it's darker earlier, so it plays on your physical well-being. You're more susceptible to depression and anxiety and things of that nature during the winter months. Now, as that pertains to trucking, it's really, it's really hard because, one, there are a bunch of holidays in the winter, family holidays that you might miss. Two, like I said, it's not really sun, it's cold, you're not with your family, you're by yourself out here. And three, it tends to be more trucker fatalities, I think, in the winter. I didn't realize how that would affect me, when I came out here, but seeing a crash, a big rig crash, I know people have accidents every day, but seeing a big rig crash and then later on realizing or checking up on that crash and realizing that the driver didn't make it, it's a lot. I've seen my share of crashes this winter, and it hasn't been easy. It's hard to keep yourself motivated, keep yourself going. You know, you wondering why you even doing this. Is it worth it? Like, when you come out here, you are risking your life every day. And it's a lot. Prime, there was a driver recently that that was in an accident, and he didn't make it. And it just makes you think. Like, that man had a wife and kids and family, and he's not gonna see them anymore. They aren't gonna see him anymore. And when you come out here, not saying that you should be thinking in a negative way, but you got to think about, there's a possibility that someone might swerve out in front of you and cause you to have to, hit something, and that'll be it. Or you might hit a patch of ice and you lose control, and that'll be it. It's hard thinking about that, and trucking is dangerous, point blank period. Some facets of trucking are more dangerous, like flatbed is more dangerous, cattle hauling is dangerous, but driving this building down the road is dangerous. And you just got to be ready. If you decide that this is what you really want to do, you got to be ready, and you got to be mentally strong. So I said all that to say, make sure you get out of the truck. Make sure that, even if it's just to get a different, even fast food. Like, we all know that McDonald's, Arby's, Burger King, Wendy's, Chester's, Subway are the main fast food restaurants and truck stops. If you just get out of the truck and go to Zaxby's, get out of the truck and go to Checkers, just something like that, just to get out of the truck and just for a change of scenery, it'll help tremendously. I know this was kind of a ramble video, and I appreciate y'all watching it. I really appreciate all of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I sincerely do. All of y'all are invited to the cookout. If you don't know what that means, it just means you're all really cool people. Not literally invited to the cookout. I don't actually know y'all, but if I do get to know a couple of y'all, sure. Just make sure you get out the truck. Make sure you keep this thing healthy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And y'all be easy, man. Until next time.